Oh my goodness, I was just doing this whole video and I didn't have the thing on. Welcome to my world and Happy New Year. But I just got a package from DHL and it came from Hobium.com, which is a company, if you check it out online, they have very reasonably priced, I almost want to say inexpensive because in my head that's what it is, yarn, very reasonably priced, very reasonably priced, and they are very quick to ship. If you spend $150 in US, and you're in the US, in American money, and it will ship to you for free, which is awfully sweet. And I literally just did this whole thing without, I'm expecting a couple things from overseas. And so how I started the last one was I wasn't sure what it was, but I had opened the bag because I wasn't sure which company it was from. Because I ordered a pair of boots and a sweater for both myself and for Katie. And so I was kind of, and I've ordered that a long time ago, so I was kind of hoping that that was that. I ordered it, I was even hoping that it would be here in time for Christmas. Clearly that's not true. And I don't even really know where it's coming from, but I figure it will arrive DHL because that usually sends the international stuff. But when I opened it, I was pleasantly surprised, which is even probably more exciting for me that it's yarn, but that's kind of scary because I can't use this yarn right now, but I'm excited about it. But anyway, I just dropped one. I've placed several orders at different places and I'm expecting lots of fun hauls coming up. But today I received this one from Hobium, and I know I have another haul from Hobium coming too. And this one is mostly yarn that I know what I want to do with it, or I have a project in mind and I specifically bought things that I thought would go with them. And I have them written down in my book. I do not have them memorized, so I couldn't tell you what they are right now. And I think that one of them is on my top 9 list that I posted on Instagram, or not top 9, but the 9 projects I know I want to do in 2019. But let's face it, we all know I'm going to do a lot more than that. And let's also face it that I have more yarn than I can ever use in a year, but I'm going to continue to buy it because I love it and I am addicted to yarn. So beats a lot of things that I could be addicted to, I suppose. So here we go. I showed these already, but I'm going to re-show them because you guys didn't see it. But these are by Gazelle, and they are the Rock and Roll. This is a 50-gram skein of yarn, and I have them in 2 colorways, and they are very shiny and bright. And this one is even hard to see, but it is a beautiful, like pearlescent, shiny color. And I have 3 of them. One thing with Hobium though is that you don't really get a name of the color. You just kind of get a number on the skein. Now when you're looking at them online, you will get a name, and I'm kind of wondering if the packing slip doesn't have the name. So that means I have to find the packing slip. And now I'm confused as to what I told you guys, what you guys heard, and what I said and you didn't hear. One thing about Hobium is that if you spend, in America, if you spend over $150 in US money, you will get free shipping. And it comes from Turkey, but it comes so quickly. It's unbelievably fast. I mean, like I said, I thought that I would have gotten that other thing first, and that came from, or I don't know where that's coming from, but it's been weeks since I have ordered that, and I don't have any clue when that's going to be here. This has probably not even been a week, or maybe just a little over a week, and it's already here. So I don't have the packing slip. It probably is in that bag, but I haven't been able to find it. So I don't know these colorways, but it is like a pearl white and then a red with some black undertones. It is beautiful. I haven't used it yet, of course, but at first glance it does remind me of Woolfolk. Just a little. I mean, just because of the way that it is and the halo on it, and kind of the way that it looks like it's blown in there. I don't know, but oh, it's nice, and it doesn't smell bad. It doesn't even smell sheepy, but it's so cute. Oh, and look what I got, a little handmade. And I think that that Hobium gives you one of these in every one of their packages. And I don't know, I must have gotten it before, but I don't remember it. So, okay, so I got 3 of the white colorway and I got 5 of the red colorway. So again, I know what I'm going to do with it, but I don't remember, so I'm not going to be able to tell you. And also, if you spend over $50, they also send you a bag. And this one says, all you knit is love. And it says Love Hobium. And then on the other side, it has this really cute little like jackalope with his tongue out. And it says, oh my dear. And this is the same bag that I'd gotten before. And so they only send you one no matter how much you spend. So if you spend $100, you don't get one for every 50 or anything. But you know, it's very nice and it's cool that you get a bag. I'm putting these in here as we talk. So this is my second bag, and with my next purchase or my next shipment, I will have a third bag even, because that's the way I roll. Okay, so then next, I have something on me. I got this Cartopo Punto. I'm sure I'm butchering that. Cartopo Punto. And it is in a like mint green colorway. It's very chunky. This kind of reminds me a little bit of the Thick and Quick or the Loops and Threads chunky one. It is 80% acrylic and 20% polyamide. I need to look up what polyamide is because I really don't know, and I know that it's in a lot of yarn. But it is super soft, and this is 120 yards, 3.5 ounces, and it is beautiful. And I would say that all of these skeins of yarn were $3 or less. I don't know for sure because I don't have my thing with me, but if you guys look them up, just go to hobium.com. You will be pleasantly surprised, I have a feeling, just because they offer very good prices. So I got 2 of those. And let's see, I got 3 of these, and this is chunky again, and it kind of reminds me of the Loops and Threads, or maybe the Charisma, whatever that one is. And this is Alpine Alpaca. So it is 150 grams, 131 yards, 30% alpaca, 10% wool, and 60% acrylic. But it is super soft, super nice, squishy. It's good stuff, guys. I'm not kidding. I definitely say you guys should check it out. The price is unbeatable. I can't tell you enough. I don't really know where else you could get such reasonably priced yarn. And I don't know. I like to knit. I like to knit a lot. I do a lot of charity knitting, and I've been liking to do a lot of baby knitting. And so for that, I think it's good to have washable stuff that's easy to wear and easy to wash, and people don't have to have rules or, you know, be careful when you wash this. You know, you can just knit the hat and they can do with it what they want and it'll stay nice. And that's one thing I'm loving about that. Let's see, I have 6 of these, and these are La Mia, which is Hobium's own brand, diamond, and this says low pilling. It kind of has reminded me a little bit of cotton, but I don't think it's cotton. Let me see what it says. It is 70% acrylic and 30% microfiber, but it kind of feels a little bit cottony. It's soft. It smells good. It is 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, and 229 yards. So you get a lot of yarn in here, and it is probably a worsted weight yarn. Very nice. And again, there's no colorway, but this one is a light gray, and I have 6 of these. And then I know I did order some of these things because I just wanted to try them, and I thought that it would be good in some things, and so I ordered some baby wool. Now this looks very fine. I don't know if I'm gonna like this or not, because it is, in my opinion, fingering weight. I mean, sock weight maybe, but it looks like fingering weight to me. And I'm not really great with the really thin yarns, but let's see. It says this is 350 grams. Is that right? That can't be right. Oh no, it's telling you what you'd need for that size. Sorry, it's 50 grams. That makes sense. And it says to use a size 3 needle. and I'm not sure if it tells me how many yards this is, but it is 40% acrylic, 20% cashmere PA, and 40% Lana Merino. So I don't know exactly what those are, but it is very soft, and the cashmere makes me excited. And this is the Gazelle Baby Wool. So, and again, it's very, in my opinion, very thin, but it's probably what you would consider a sport weight since it's a 3. I don't know. I'm just guessing, but I am excited about it, and I ordered several colors. I have 3 balls of this light pink, and I have this like blue color. I would probably call this baby blue. And then I have a light chocolate brown and an ivory. And then I have 3 balls of this bright pink. Beautiful. And it looks like I have another, yes, chocolate brown. Oh, and another. Goodness. I guess I got 3 of those. Some buttons that I'll show you at last. And then it looks like I have another bag, or another thing of the diamond. This is very nice. I mean, it feels really good. After I said it felt like cotton, it really doesn't feel like cotton. It's a lot softer and squishier than cotton. So that was error. It just kind of looks like cotton, I guess, to me. But it doesn't feel like cotton now that I said that out loud. And this is a really pretty blue. It's picking up very well. I might even call it like a periwinkle. It's beautiful. And then I have this pink color in the same diamond stuff. It is true to color too. It's a pretty bright dark pink. It's not fuchsia. It might be a hot pink, but it's not neon. I'm not big into the neon. You'd think I would be because I'm an 80s girl, but I'm not. And then I have this by Gazelle, and this is the Gazelle Gala, and it is shiny. You can see the sparkle. Holy shamoly, I was not expecting that. This is 48% Lana Merino, 25% polyamide, and 27% polyacryl. I have no idea what those are. And it says to use a size 4 to 4.5 knitting needle. This is a 100-gram ball. I do not know how many yards. It's in the colorway 64. I know that doesn't help anybody, but it is a pink color. Pretty similar to this. Probably, I would say this is a medium pink. It's between the light and the darker pink. But it's definitely not the hot bright pink. So those are the differences in the pink. But you can totally see the shimmer. And it doesn't look like it is like the silver pieces or whatever. It looks like it's just the yarn that is holographic. And I am wearing a black shirt, and it does get on my shirt. I don't know if you can see that, but if I wipe it on there, it will get on my shirt, but everything does, so I'm not too worried about it. But there's that. And I also got this beautiful green. This is like it's not a hunter and it's not an olive, but it's not a teal, but it's kind of a combination of all those colors. It's very pretty. I did not realize that they were going to be so shiny and sparkly. And this one is, well, the color is picking up. It's kind of a purpley pink. I don't know, maybe kind of a burgundy mauve, maybe a dark mauve. But it's pretty. The sparkle shows up best in the lighter colors. I mean, but it shows up, at least in real life, on this color. I don't know how much it's picking up on the screen though. But definitely in the lighter colors it shows up a little better. But they're very pretty. And then here is another colorway of the Punto. And this one is kind of a purpley blue, pretty. And this one is also the Punto, and I have two of these, and they are like a light blue, almost gray. Pretty. And that yarn feels really good. And then I have this one, which is Umarkak. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And this feels like, gosh, what is chenille? I think that's how you say it. It is the really soft yarn that isn't like fibery. I don't know what it is, but I think it's called chenille. You guys will know what I'm talking about. It's with a lot of baby yarn, which this is also advertised that way. This is 100% polyester. It's really, really soft. And I got the white. And I think I was just going to knit a little baby sweater with this, is what my plan was. I wanted to check it out. So like I said, I wanted to try lots of different kinds. And then this is another one of the alpine alpacas, which I know I had another, oh, I had the off-white color of that. And then this one is more of a light tannish color. Very pretty. So yeah, I'm not exactly sure. I don't remember, like I said, what I'm going to do with all of these, but I am excited because they are really cool and they're very pretty. And I think that I have lots of fun yarn to play with. So thanks for watching, guys. And I really do hope that you guys check out Hobium, because I do not think you would be disappointed. They have some great prices and some great yarn. And lots of times they will even give you a percentage off, which I didn't get an invoice in this one, which maybe it's coming in the next one. But I did get 2 stickers. I got this sticker and this sticker. And then I got that tag. And then I did get my code for 15% off. So very cool. So I hope you guys check them out, and I hope you like them as much as I do. Happy knitting!